Hi, superstars. What if I told you that you can make six figures selling palm oil? Would you believe? Yes. As someone who has a 9 to 5 job, as someone who has a business, you can still make money from palm oil as a side hustle. Even with a 9 to 5 job, you can make money from palm oil. Okay, so I'll be sharing with you the story of a lady who sells children clothes but was able to make six figures in the duration of 6 months from storing palm oil in Nigeria. Okay, so palm oil business is very, very profitable. So early this year, this lady walked up to me that she would love to make money from palm oil business. So after doing the needful, I now held her hands and led her through the process of how to make money from palm oil business in Nigeria. Okay, so she stored about 50 jerry cans of palm oil. I told her how to set up her store, how to get the best palm oil. I helped her get the best palm oil, the jerry cans, everything, and she was able to successfully store 50 jerry cans of palm oil. All right, she used the profits from her children, kids business to buy palm oil and store. You know that there's that time of the year when children things do not sell very, very well because children things sell mostly during festive seasons. Okay, during Easter they sell, during Christmas children things sell, and most people buy during resumption, school resumption, and when they have birthdays, occasions. But apart from that, children things do not sell very, very well on a very good day. So she decided to take the profits from her children's shop business and invest it in palm oil business. Like I said, she started with 50 jerry cans of palm oil. She was able to buy some at 24,000, some at 23,000, and she stored. Yes, she stored the palm oil. And guess what? For the first time, palm oil increased to as high as 50,000 naira for stored palm oil. But you know what, my superstars? She was able to. She delayed a little bit. She said she wanted to make it increase more profits, more profits. You know the thing about new beginners, they want to make maximum, maximum, maximum profit. So she said she wants to make more profit, and she kept it. And after a period of time, rather than increase more, the price started dropping for stored palm oil. So she ended up selling at 46,000 naira. Okay, so for the one she sold, she bought at 24,000 naira. She was able to make 22,000 naira from each jerry can. And the ones she bought at 23,000 naira, she was able to make 23,000 naira profit from each jerry can. So that is 100% return on investment of palm oil. Okay, it is very, very rare to see a business that gives you 100% return. Very, very rare. In very rare cases, we've had other years where people didn't make 100%, but this year has been one year that people have made lots and lots of profit from palm oil storage business in Nigeria. So if you see the way she was smiling, she was so excited, she was so happy, and guess what? After sales, she used the profit and the capital she realized from palm oil storage business to go and shop for more goods to put in her shop, which she said she'll be selling this festive season. Okay, so she was able to increase her sales. She was able to increase her products. Okay, and she said she'll make sales, and by the time she makes sales, she will now set aside the money she'll use to make store for the next year. Okay, so you see, she has been able to rotate her capital. She has been able to rotate her capital. She didn't sit down and wait for one source of income. She has been able to make two sources of income for herself in a year. First one is the children's shop, next is the one from the palm oil storage business. So she has been able to rotate her capital and make more profit from business in a year. And what did she do? All she did was to take the steps I told her. She prepared her store. I helped her get the best palm oil. I walked her through the steps on how to store the palm oil, and she stored. And at the right time, she sold the palm oil. She still went on with her normal business. She still went on to sell her children's shop. Daily, she was still going to report in her children's shop. Okay, she didn't shut down, she didn't close down. Okay, so you see, as someone who has a 9 to 5 job, you can still do palm oil storage business as a side hustle and make money from it. Having a 9 to 5 job doesn't stop you from doing a palm oil business by the side. Having another business doesn't stop you from doing palm oil business by the side. Selling hair, selling clothes, selling shoes, selling whatever doesn't stop you from doing palm oil business at the side. All you have to do is prepare your store, get all the necessary materials ready, and then buy and store a good palm oil. And at the right time, you sell it out and make your money from it. Okay, my superstars. So palm oil business is something anyone can do. Anyone, anywhere, no matter the job, no matter your job description, you can do it and still make money from it. All you need is one, knowledge. You need knowledge on how to get the right palm oil, how to store it the right way, and the right time to sell out your palm oil in order to make maximum profit. Yes, if you don't have knowledge, you will not be able to make money from palm oil business. I remember the first time I started palm oil. Okay, the person who was supposed to hold my hands and put me through left me halfway when I was able to expose her dubious attitude. She left me halfway, and I know the price I paid that year. I lost lots and lots of jerry cans of palm oil because I didn't know how to store it the right way. I didn't know how to prepare my store. I didn't know what to do to make sure that my palm oil retain all its quality throughout storage and sales. Okay, so I had to learn the hard way, and I learned in the course of doing it, and I was able to solve this problem. And right now, I can comfortably store palm oil, and at the end of storage, the taste is still fantastic. Okay, as I speak with you right now, I am still enjoying a jerry can of palm oil I had set aside for myself, and the taste is still fantastic. The taste is still wow. I know other people who I sent palm oil to, the taste is great, the taste is fantastic, and throughout storage, it was able to retain all its quality. Okay, so let me know what's stopping you from starting palm oil storage business in Nigeria. What is delaying you? Write it in the comment section. Okay, my superstars, what is stopping you from storing palm oil? Write it in the comment section. Okay, my superstars, if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. In the meantime, have you liked this video? Please hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, like this video, and don't forget to share. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, please take a second, hit that subscribe button, like and share this video. Thank you. I've done so many videos on how to start a profitable palm oil storage business in Nigeria. So my superstars, please go and check it out. I'll leave some links in the description box so you can check them out and watch as well. Alright, and if you have any question, you can leave it after watching each video and I'll get right back to you. Did you get value? Will you be starting your palm oil storage business in Nigeria? Let me know in the comment section. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.